Hello friends, myself Kesri and welcome to my YouTube channel I for Java. And today we are going to learn some important SQL interview question which will help you in the interview room. So without delay, let's start. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language and used for communicating with the database. According to ANSI, SQL is the standard query language for the relational database management system that is used for maintaining them and also for performing different operation of data manipulation on different types of data. Basically, it is a database language that is used for the creation and deletion of the database, and it can be used to fetch and modify the row of a table and also for the multiple other things. So let's understand what is actually the SQL with the real example. Suppose we have any raw data which will be stored in a drawer or in a file or in a book. So if we have a small number of data, okay, so we can store it easily. But suppose if we have large amount of data, what in this case? It is tough to store the data. So in that case, the data warehouse come into the picture. So what we will do, we cannot store it directly. We need someone who can store our data and manage our data. So whenever we want it back, he can provide me easily. I not have to worry about my data. So in this case, the database manager come into the picture. He will manage our data and whenever we need it, he will provide it according to our credential. Okay. So with this in the real life we have come. So data warehouse is nothing. If we think about as a programmer, the RDDBMS is the database as a data warehouse where our all the data can be stored. Okay, so and SQL is nothing but like a database manager who will manage our data by talking to database because SQL understand the language of database. So if we take example of real life, in real life the database manager can manage our data, files and all documents. In programming, the SQL manage our data in a database. Okay, he will talk to our database and understand what are the operation it performed. Okay, so whenever we need any document or any file, we just write query and it will take that query and talk to the database and fetch our record and given a response to us. So how this SQL will work? In next video, we will understand what is having and where clause. We will understand the difference between both. Thank you. Please like and share my channel.